diamond wire cutting desktop equipment is coming. Desktop equipment reel scene. Operating guide wheel. Smart operation. Suitable for scientific research, semiconductor, optics, jewelry and manufacturing industry. Meets the needs of various industries for precision machining. Desktop equipment is the preferred cutting equipment for scientific research institutions and laboratories. Easily cope with various complex, hard and brittle cutting needs. The diamond wire desktop cutting equipment is a high-precision cutting tool designed for laboratories, scientific research institutions and small processing workshops.